Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Today we have with us the Mevi Duopods M80 and they are the in-ear TWS earphones. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and show you the features of these earphones. So here is the box. In the front of the box we have the picture of the earphones and here we have the model name Duopods M80. At the back of the box we have some key features such as powerful bass, 30 hours of playback time, touch controls, CVC 8.0 noise cancellation for calling, aptX codec for HD audio, and these earphones are also IPX4 sweatproof. And here you can see that they come with 1 year warranty. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So on the top we get this small box and inside it we have the documentations. One thing I must tell you that I really like the packaging and the design. So in the documentations you get the welcome letter, warranty information, and then this is the user manual which has the info about the pairing and different touch controls. And then here we have the charging case itself and inside it we have the earphones. We will look at them in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So in the box we get the extra ear tips and you also get this Type-C charging cable, which means these earphones comes with a Type-C charging port. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the earphones closely. Starting with the charging case, you have a compact size case with the glossy finish on it. The build quality is pretty good and here in the middle you have the Mevi branding. In the front you have the LED lights which lets you know about the remaining battery of the case as well as the earbuds charging status. And here at the back we have the Type-C charging port. Now let's look at the earbuds. So here we have the earbuds and you get the in-ear design in these earbuds and the quality and design looks very good to me. The weight of the each earbud is approximately 4.5 grams and the battery capacity is 50 mAh. In the Duopods M80, you also get the touch sensitive panel in the earbuds by which you can perform different actions. Overall in terms of design and build quality, I'm really happy with this product and keeping in mind the price, right now I can say that the features and the overall package looks good in this price segment. Now let's pair the earphones with our phone. Pairing the earphones is really easy. Just take both the earbuds out of the charging case and then you will see the blinking LED light on one of the earbud. And that's it, they are ready to pair with your phone. So they are paired and here you can see that you get the Qualcomm aptX HD support in these earbuds. Now let's talk about the main thing, which is the performance. First of all, the Duopods M80 earphones are very comfortable to use. The in-ear design of these earbuds makes them very comfortable to use for long hours. And guys, you can use them for watching movies and YouTube videos for hours without even realizing that you're wearing the earphones. Now one more thing I must tell you that the isolation of these earphones is pretty good. And because of the design, the passive noise cancellation is also pretty good. Now coming to the performance, first of all don't forget to change the ear tips and use the one in which you get the perfect isolation. And about the performance, you get amazing sound quality from these earbuds. Bass is really good and if you like heavy bass output, you will love the output of these earphones. Apart from that, the clarity is good and the vocals are also pretty clear. They are also loud and sometimes even very loud that I had to reduce the volume to 70 to 80%. Now in terms of the touch controls, the single press will let you pause and play music. Double tap on the left earbud will change the soundtrack. Double tap on the right earbud will take you back to the previous soundtrack. Triple tap allows you to call Google Assistant or Siri. And guys, I really like the touch controls on these earbuds and the sensitivity is also pretty good. Now in terms of the usage, I have used these earbuds for watching movies and videos on YouTube. There is no lag at all and I enjoyed using these earphones for movies, and the best part is that they are really comfortable. Now coming to the mic performance, you can also take calls in stereo with these earphones and the mic clarity is also pretty good. You will not face any issue using them for video or voice calling as well as for voice chat in games. Now lastly about the battery, you get 30 hours of total playback time with the case. And in one single charge, you get approximately 4 to 5 hours of playback time, which is also good. Overall, Mevi Duopods M80 offers good sound quality, bass is good, and I really like the design and the build quality of the earbuds. They are also sweatproof, so you can easily wear them while working out or running. So to sum it up, if you're looking for a pair of good quality in-ear TWS earphones and don't want to spend a lot, then I highly recommend you to check out the Mevi Duopods M80. The price of these earphones is Rs 2,999 And as usual, if you like them and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Mewe Duopods M80 TWS earphones. Let us know if you like them, and also do tell us your favorite feature of these earphones in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.